Replacing or installing a new entry door is one of the most noticeable upgrades a homeowner can make. It affects curb appeal, daily comfort, and how secure a home feels. For homeowners in Austin, understanding what to expect during the entry door installation process helps reduce stress and ensures a smooth, successful experience from start to finish. Preparing for entry door installation. The process begins before installation day. Homeowners typically start by selecting a door that fits the home's style and performance needs. In Austin homes, preparation may also involve checking measurements, inspecting the existing frame, and planning for any necessary adjustments. Knowing that preparation is part of the process helps homeowners feel confident moving forward. What happens on installation day? On installation day, professionals remove the existing door carefully to avoid damaging surrounding walls or trim. This step is important because it sets the foundation for proper installation. For Austin homeowners, the opening is inspected to ensure it's level and structurally sound. Any issues are addressed before the new door is installed, helping prevent future problems. Achieving a precise fit. One of the most important aspects of entry door installation is achieving a precise fit. Even small gaps can lead to drafts or operational issues. During installation, the door is aligned carefully within the frame. Austin homeowners can expect the door to open and close smoothly, with even spacing along all sides once the installation is complete. Sealing and insulation for comfort. Proper sealing is essential for long-term comfort. Installers apply weather sealing around the door to block air movement. In Austin homes, this sealing step helps prevent drafts and supports stable indoor temperatures. Homeowners often notice immediate improvements in how entryways feel once the door is properly sealed. Finishing touches that matter. After the door is installed, finishing details are addressed. Trim is adjusted, hardware is secured, and the door's operation is tested thoroughly. Austin homeowners can expect the installer to check alignment, locking mechanisms, and smooth operation. These final steps ensure the door performs well from the first use. What homeowners may notice right away. Many homeowners notice immediate changes after installation. Entryways feel more solid and comfortable, and doors operate more smoothly. In Austin, homeowners often appreciate how the new door enhances the home's appearance while also improving comfort near the entryway. Minimal disruption to daily life. While entry door installation is a significant upgrade, it typically causes minimal disruption. The process is usually completed within a short time frame. Austin homeowners can plan to go about their day with little interruption, knowing the work is handled efficiently and professionally. Understanding post-installation care. After installation, homeowners may receive guidance on basic care to maintain performance. Simple practices help ensure the door continues to operate smoothly. In Austin homes, this guidance helps homeowners protect their investment and enjoy long-term reliability. The value of professional installation. While some upgrades can be handled independently, entry door installation benefits greatly from professional expertise. Austin homeowners gain peace of mind knowing the door is installed correctly, sealed properly, and designed to perform well over time. A smooth upgrade with lasting impact. Installing a new entry door is a straightforward process when homeowners know what to expect. For homeowners in Austin, entry door installation offers immediate improvements in comfort, appearance, and daily convenience. By understanding the steps involved in working with professionals, homeowners can enjoy a smooth experience and a door that enhances their home for years to come.